Oh, come on, be reasonable. It's not a big... of course I still love you. Look, you're still my number one. Yes, you're special to me. Well, I buy everything you want, don't I? Yeah, okay, money's not as important for you. It's time spent with you. I understand that. Yes. Look, she is a little bit older than you. Look, older, not as strong, and, you know, a bit more experienced. Okay, sorry, I didn't mean that. Look, we both agreed I needed something different in my life. You are a little bit heavy, girl. Okay, you're also a bit temperamental, and I was just, you know, looking for something Italian, you know, maybe a little bit leaner. Not... Okay, death stare. Look, have pity on her, okay? She's a bastard stepchild that nobody wants. I mean, she was passed from parent to parent. I mean, you're practically related now thanks to your parents. Yes, you are. That's Husqvarna and KTM are the same bloody thing now. Okay? So deal with it. Besides, Swedish is... They're good-looking women too. Don't you dare tell my wife I said that. Okay, so... Peace? Okay, peace. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce my latest addition to the Forge. A Husqvarna SM 610. Model year 2007. It's an old bitch. No, it's my project bike. Picked it up for 40k, which with current exchange rates is 2,000. Is it 2,000? No, can't be. 3,000 US dollars? Yeah, no. 2,700 US dollars. Okay, there we go. 13,000 kilometers on the clock. Shit tires, shit brakes, deceased estate. It's been in storage for about 4 years. A lot of rust. Yeah, it's a fixer-upper. Rode it here, 50 kilometers highway speeds. I'm not having any children anymore. My balls are basically scrambled eggs. Thank you. Yeah, there's no comfort here. Power-wise, very good actually. Very good. For Supermoto? Oh, I guess I should explain. Why Supermoto? Because I want to take this to the track, baby. That one, hellishly expensive. This one, what's 40k between friends? Scrap metal value. Yeah. So, spare parts. There's a long list here. If I want to go from the ground up, new tires, brakes, bleed, new fluid, indicators need to be replaced, the battery needs to be replaced, sprockets, chain need to be replaced, the footbags need to be replaced, the brake lever needs to be repaired, oil change needs to be done, coolant needs to be flushed, valves need to be adjusted, carburetor cleaned, fork is leaking, new fork seals need to be fitted, that tire must go, those brakes must go, fluid change, lights need to be upgraded, indicators must be replaced, plastics need to be repaired, controls should be upgraded, new handlebar because of the vibrations is bad, new grips to go with it, new mirrors with it, recovering of this little seat. Okay, new battery. Did I say that already? Yeah, fuck you. Indicator, yeah, that I said. The shock, obviously, forks. I'm gonna have some fun in December. Ready, girl? I'm German. You were built under the watchful eye of MV Augusta, where everything was, hey! Or my best Fonzie impression. But basically these bikes were also built on a Friday late afternoon after 3 beers. How do I know this? Germans know, okay. Just ask us. We know the Italians very well. Just ask old Adolf when he got the tanks from Italy. They were basically doorstops. None of them worked. Little note on the side. Cool. So, first thing of order, get these tires off, get new ones on. These were not Pirelli, no, Dunlops. I'm gonna go for Michelin Pilot Street radials, reasonable price, and they should have enough grip for a novice like this guy. So, no problem. When they are off, I can do the coolant change. Oil filters have been ordered. The carburetor intake is fucked. Scratch, it's rubber. Why the hell put such a big... never mind. Air filter needs to be done. Brakes, I suppose while I wait for the brake pads, I can flush the entire fluid. No, wait, I can't. Unless, I suppose I can rebuild them too. Yeah. Fuel system, definitely. Drain the tank, have a look at both of the fuel filters inside, see how bad the rust is. Wait, it's plastic, it's not going to rust. Hey, you never know, someone spat in it, maybe a bird shat into it, you never know. While that is off, yes, the forks I can also take off in the meantime. And while I'm doing that, the head bearings need to be serviced, greased, inspected. Obviously, the plastics, I wonder, new graphics, definitely need a bit of restorative work. The lights need to be upgraded, stronger lights, yes. Handlebar, tomorrow I'm buying a Pro Taper, because fuck this little chrome thing. Look, basically, ride this thing for 20 minutes, highway speed at 100 kilometers an hour. Look, for ladies it's great. I mean, the vibration, there's a little knob here, that's great for pleasure. For men, not so much. So, less vibrations here, better foot pegs there. Speaking of foot pegs, and I know I'm rushing here because I'm really fucking excited. You have no idea of my hard-on. That's this leg, by the way. That's my other leg. So, middle leg, quite long at the moment. Okay. What else? Yeah, handlebar, Pro Taper, something lighter. The switch gears need to be taken apart because if there's the state of the rubber, switches can't be much better. Using Q30 to waterproof everything, because I seriously doubt anything here is still waterproof. Inspection of the lock, polishing it. Usually, bike this old, the old technology, especially Italians, you could put a screw, a spoon in here, a ladle, and just turn it on anyway, which is probably the case here. Battery needs to be replaced. That's on Monday. And of course, the big job, chain, sprockets, all of that needs to be done as well. Possibly, the heat is bad, but not as intense as... I may ceramic coat this, because I don't believe in that whole, what is that, wrapping thing. I mean, that looks absolutely disgusting, in my opinion. Thank you. And, of course, oil change and all that can also be done. No, wait, I don't have the filters. Whew. Okay, breathe, Patrick. Whew. Excited. Little kid at Christmas. Yeah. Oh, how does she ride? Why didn't you tell us about that? It's actually a very good question. Why didn't I? It puts a smile on my face. I kid you not. Supermoto is actually fucking fun. I mean, this thing flicks like crazy. If I had better tires, better brakes, you know, everything upgraded, I'm pretty sure this thing is going to teach me how to wheelie really quickly. Can't wait, can't wait. Don't look at me like that. You're still my number one bitch. Girl. Woman. Lady. Lady? Lady. Okay. So yeah, that's what's coming up. A lot of videos of how I pull shit apart and put it back together. I hope you're as anxious as me. No, you're not. Later.